So last week, Tim and I purchased our very first couch together. And this week, I'm going to be addressing Kirby's watering situation. Now, a little bit of history here. Kirby, every time he drinks water, drinks at the far edge of the bowl. And for those of you that don't know, Kirby is an extremely fluffy corgi. And he has this really long mane, and so every time he drinks water, he dips his entire mane into the watering bowl and then drags it all over the floor. So it's completely wet wherever he drinks water. That being said, the current situation that is his watering bowl right now is a water bowl on top of an old rag. And it just doesn't look good. So I decided that the best solution for this aesthetically and environmentally was to plant him his own watering bowl garden situation. So let's do it. I have found the crate wall. Hopefully this is the right size. What I think I'm gonna end up doing is I'm probably going to knock out one of these slates on either side because this is the best size box I can find, but it's a little bit tall. I tend to think that Reggie and Kirby being short in stature might prove to be a little bit difficult with it being this tall. So after looking at all of the options, I came across something called Baby's Tears. And the thing that's really nice about this one is that it can grow in shaded areas and it produces hundreds of tiny little white flowers. I want something with a lot of flowers in it. I've also done some research on it and it seems as though it is child and dog safe. There aren't any toxins in it. It also kind of seems like Banana likes it, so if it's Banana approved, then it's worth it for me. So first things first, I'm going to have to measure out the height of this crate to make sure that he and Reggie can in fact reach the water. All right, so first we got to lure him with treats. Can you reach over here? No. Okay, that's too long. One side did come out. That was a little easier than I thought it would be. All right, round 2 of testing. Kirby, can you reach this? Can you reach it? Yes, he can reach it. Okay, Reggie. Okay, you can reach. Cool, we have a height that works. That just splintered everywhere. So I bought this cabinet shelf liner, or grip liner as it is called, and I'm just gonna be lining the bottom of this, and I guess the sides of this crate because the slates have so much gapping between them that the soil's just all going to fall out. This is not tearing the way I want it to. I have to measure and line this, but I think I'm going to do a rough cut first because this is a little bit hard to handle. So I just realized I never grabbed my small shovel. Maybe I should put a towel down too. Damn. We are celebrating a very special day because 2 years ago, this little one, hey Reggie, this little one got adopted from the shelter. So we're celebrating his second, I guess, adoption birth date with this guy. So we've got cheeseburgers, a dog jerky treat, and some chicken breast jerky. Ready?
Happy birthday to you.
Wow. Harder?
There you go.
All right, I think now I'm at a good point to add the flowers. I also got them a new watering dish because I figured that this one would be hard to pull in and out of the dirt because of the shape. It would fill in here versus this has a lip on it. I can just lift it out pretty easily. Okay, we have a plant down. Fingers crossed. I think she's fine, but... Now I'm just filling in the gaps with soil to really create kind of a tighter fit. Okay, so now I'm gonna water it because a lot of these clovers are now covered with soil, and I also don't want the roots to go into too much shock. All right, I think it's time to fill this with water. Well, clean it out first. Now I think all that's left is to put it in the sun. Ooh, that's heavy. That's really heavy. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this week's video, feel free to watch last week's video where Tim and I go furniture shopping and buy our very first couch together. Bye.